Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today on this 2006 Ford F250. Elephant in the room, it's a big yellow Amarillo on 22s. It's a sweet truck. We're going to cold start it this morning. Now a lot of people tell me that I don't do my cold starts right or I'm lying about them, so we're giving you the best possible scenario. We leave these trucks in the shop overnight. We do pull them about 20 feet out, and then we let them sit here for a couple hours. I'm not trying to come over on anybody. That's a cold start to me. It's as cold as you're going to get it. The truck has not been driven today or in the last few minutes. However, on this particular truck, it is my second take because the video cut short in the middle, so it did warm up a little bit already. Hadn't been driven, but we do have a Viper alarm on this one, so we're just going to go ahead and cold start it this way. But anyways, cold start, 06 F250 Amarillo, 165,000 miles. This is a sweet truck. We're going to be going inside and out of it today, just kind of looking over it and showing you the goods and bads. First off, black leather, Amarillo embroidered seats. Sweet truck, definitely. And that cold start, the truck is still cold, but I did a 5-minute video before, so it ran a little bit. Diamond Eye 4-inch turbo back exhaust, sounds amazing, no smoking. This is a really nice truck. And I also want you guys to know, I'm not doing a cold start to hide stuff. We service these trucks fully, so we do not send them out if they have issues in the cold. We fix them. So that's where we're at with these trucks. I appreciate you guys understanding. I'm just trying to be honest with you and show you everything. 165, 235 on the miles. Truck has a check engine light for a axle tire size correlation. It's a Ford specific code from tuning the truck for the bigger tires. We're going to have it removed by Ford. It's going in tomorrow to get cleared and taken care of, so that check engine light will not be there. Other than that, we service this truck fully. So Amarillo package, you got the fancy Amarillo gauges up here with the chrome bezel trim. You got black everything with silver door panels. Amarillo on the console there. The seats are obviously stitched in Amarillo, the one-of-a-kind yellow paint, and a 10,000 pound towing capacity from the factory with that. Out of that, this truck runs and drives perfect. It's got a 3-inch leveling kit that we installed. It was a stock truck when we got it. We lifted it 3 inches. We put 22 by 12s on it. The motor's stock. It's never been studded. It's never been tuned to my knowledge. We put the exhaust on it just because the old exhaust had some holes in it and was kind of ragged out. Cut off, dumped at the cab, so we put a 4-inch on there. Other than that, the only mod this truck had was a cold air intake when we got it. So let's pop the hood, kind of walk around, go over everything. We do have window tint all up on this eyebrow. Like I said, it has a Viper 2-way remote start alarm and a couple of goodies as far as the lights, wheels, and tires, but this is pretty much a stock truck down to the core of it. But we're going to pop the hood, check under the hood. And it does have an Egr Delete. I lied about that. This truck has been deleted, and it's on a stock tune just for the code, so the Egr code is not present. Very minimal blow-by. Exactly what you want to see on a Ford. Nothing concerning at all there. Sweet blue painted boost tube. I did not do that. You got rock light wire in here. Fully Dodge cold air intake. I didn't put it on there, guys. It's what came on the truck. Sound motor, we've been through it. It checks out on the scanner. We've had it on a coolant pressure tester cap. Doesn't push any coolant or any pressure. What we did to it is we put a new OEM Ford chrome grille on it with a black paint to match logo, black Harley Davidson headlights, smoke cab lights with LED bulbs, 08 style mirrors. We've got 22-inch by 12-inch wide Mayhem arsenals on 35-inch amp all-terrain tires. As you guys know, I run this tire on everything. It's a 40,000 mile tire. It's got factory running boards, chrome trim kit. A lot of dealers prep these Amarillos with the chrome trim kit. If you Google them, you'll see a lot of them have it. I didn't put it on there. It came on the truck. And the sweet gas cap came on the truck too. Not my doing. Also, these sweet chrome rails came on the truck. There's a limit on how much stuff we can customize, so we leave it on there. Seat's really nice in the back, and it does have your under seat storage, the metal thing that comes out. Truck's pretty clean overall. It's not super rusty. It looks like it Has a little surface and a little touch-up work in the past right there. Just some touch-up paint or something. But as far as that goes, there's no rust coming out of the wheel wells on the bed. That's a factory flare. I didn't put them on there. Cross rails are pretty dang nice. They're not all crumbled. Now, they're not perfect. You can see the edges got a little crumble on them. I mean, it is a Midwest truck. It's an 06, so what, 13, 14 years old. It's not perfect, guys. These trucks get worked and driven, so other than that, it cleans up super nice. Couple little dingers on the tailgate. We got smoked tail lights, by the way, and a smoked LED third brake. And bumper has a little dinger in it right down here. Not the end of the world. 4-inch turbo back exhaust, sounds great. It's a 4-inch straight pipe, no muffler. The bed liner that's in it has a hole cut out for a ball and chains, but there is no turnover ball in this truck. No fifth wheel rails, none of that stuff. All in all, it's a clean truck. Obviously, with the way it looks, as nice as it is, you're not going to see it around long. So if you are interested in this truck, guys, I urge you to get a hold of me quickly. I know that I say that with everything I sell, but we do sell them quick usually. So pretty good condition for a 160,000 mile, 13-year-old truck. But don't expect a showroom kept brand new truck. Wheels and tires are brand new. All the accessories are brand new. 816diesel.com is the place to go if you want more info. Head on over to my website, 816diesel.com. You're going to find VIN number, HD pictures, a little more information. You can also call the shop direct, 816-298-7030. We're located downtown Kansas City. My name's Cameron, by the way. I'm one of the owners. If you got any questions for me, guys, don't hesitate to give me a shout. 913-735-3748. I forgot I remote started it, so it just killed the truck. But yeah, let me know if you got any questions. If you want to come check it out, guys, it's a sweet truck. It will not disappoint. It does come. We are starting a new program with a warranty provider. So it does come with a warranty, and that warranty can be changed, customized to your liking. But we do include a 3-month warranty with this purchase. So the truck's service, ready to go, clean title in hand, Missouri State inspected. You let me know if you have any questions. We're happy to help. I appreciate your time on the video, and you have a great week out there.